बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप बच्चे पढ़ने जा रहे हैं अपना नेक्स्ट लेक्चर नंबर 3। और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड्स, एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स, कंपैरिजन ऑफ रिएक्टिविटी बिटवीन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, एसिटाल्डिहाइड एंड एसीटोन और जनरल कीटोन। नाउ फर्स्ट हमें डिस्कस अबाउट द रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड्स। When we discuss reactivity of carbonyl compounds, it is very important that is in carbonyl compounds, carbonyl functional group is present in which oxygen is more electronegative, so it attracts the bonding electron toward itself and contain partial negative charge, and carbon contain partial positive charge. और बच्चे एक बात ध्यान में रखनी होगी, दैट इज डबल बॉन्ड की वजह से वन बॉन्ड इज सिग्मा, वन बॉन्ड इज पाई. ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ पाई बॉन्ड दे ऑलवेज गिव एडिशन रिएक्शंस, ऑलवेज गिव एडिशन reaction due to presence of pi bond, and also these are nucleophilic addition reaction, nucleophilic addition reactions. They are given by aldehyde as well as ketones. Now number one we discuss about in carbonyl compounds. In carbonyl compounds, oxygen is more electronegative, is more electronegative than carbon, so oxygen contains partial negative charge, oxygen contains partial negative charge, and carbon contain partial positive charge. And also we say second point, that is double bond shows the presence of sigma and pi bond between carbon and oxygen. Also there is pi bond present between carbon and oxygen, so it always gives addition reactions, so we say the carbon of carbonyl functional group, the carbon of carbonyl functional group is electrophilic in nature, so nucleophile attacks easily on carbon. Therefore the reactions are nucleophilic addition reaction. which ये यहाँ पर reactivity है regarding aldehyde and ketones, both contain the same functional group. Now we discuss the comparison of reactivity between aldehyde and ketones. Comparison of reactivity of aldehydes and ketone. We compare both aldehyde and ketones, and we know that in aldehyde and ketone the difference is they both contain carbonyl functional group. Both are present. In case of formaldehyde, you got simplest aldehyde, formaldehyde. It is more reactive as compared to any aldehyde that contains CONH, and it is more reactive as compared to any ketone. This reactivity order is based on two resonance contributing structures. That is, if we take carbonyl compound, we know that oxygen is more electronegative, तो बच्चे इसका रेजोनेंस की वजह से नेगेटिव चार्ज शिफ्टिंग ऑन ऑक्सीजन and positive charge develops on carbon. So that is the charges which are present on carbon and oxygen. So we say there are two factors that are responsible for the reactivity orders. That is number one, size of alkyl group, size of alkyl group present on carbonyl carbon. ये बच्चा आपका पहला फैक्टर है जो उसकी रिएक्टिविटी कंट्रोल करेगा. ठीक है, जितना ग्रेटर अल्काइल ग्रुप होगा, जितना बल्कि अल्काइल अटैच्ड होगा ऑन बोथ साइड्स ऑफ दिस कार्बोनाइल फंक्शनल ग्रुप, तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल को सेंट्रल कार्बन पे अप्रोच करना दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. जितना बल्कि अल्काइल होगा उतना न्यूक्लियोफाइल को कार्बन पे अटैक करने में डिफिकल्टी होगी. इन केस ऑफ कीटोन देयर आर टू बल्कि अल्काइल The approach of nucleophile is very difficult on central carbon. But in case of aldehydes or acetaldehyde, then there is one carbon, one alkyl on one side, one is H. So nucleophile को attack करना आसान. In case of formaldehyde, there are both hydrogens, तो nucleophile को approach करना सबसे easy होगा. So we say larger alkyl groups causes more steric hindrance for nucleophile to attack on central carbon, of carbonyl functional group. जितना बड़ा अल्काइल होगा उतना न्यूक्लियोफाइल को कार्बन पे अटैक करना डिफिकल्ट होगा. दैट्स व्हाई ग्रेटर द अल्काइल ग्रुप, द बिगर द अल्काइल ग्रुप, लेस इज द रिएक्टिविटी. एंड द सेकंड फैक्टर इज electrical factor. As alkyl group is electron donating in nature, देखिए अगर ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग नेचर का है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा अल्काइल ग्रुप टुवर्ड्स कार्बन और इसके इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक करैक्टर को डिक्रीज कर देगा. और जैसे इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक करैक्टर डिक्रीज होगा न्यूक्लियोफाइल को अटैक करने में डिफिकल्टी होगी. सो वी से as alkyl group is electron donating in nature that decrease the electrophilic character of carbon. So approach of nucleophile is difficult. So we say both these factors suggested that in formaldehyde electrical factor is not applicable because there is no alkyl, and also there is no alkyl, the size of H is very small. As a result, approach of nucleophile is very easy for formaldehyde. In case of acetaldehyde or any aldehyde, approach is little difficult, and in case of ketone, then reaction will become very small. That's why we say ketones are least reactive and formaldehyde is the most reactive carbonyl compound. Now we discuss about reactions of carbonyl compounds, and we know that due to polar nature and presence of pi bond, it always gives you nucleophilic addition reactions. ये बात तो फाइनल. Now we have two types of option. Number one, the reaction may be nucleophilic addition reaction which are base catalyzed. So we say it gives two types of reactions. Number one, base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reactions, and number two, acid catalyzed nucleophilic addition reactions. And we know that in addition reaction you always got one product. तो मुझे एक बात बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट, reaction may be proceed by nucleophilic addition reaction base catalyzed or acid catalyzed. Your product remains the same. You always got same product. Now in this case we have a lot of examples for nucleophilic base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reactions in our syllabus. That is addition of hydrogen cyanide, addition of sodium bisulfide. Then we discuss about addition of Grignard reagent to carbonyl compounds, then aldol condensation, then Cannizaro's reaction, and then iodoform or haloform reactions. So these are the examples of base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reaction in our syllabus जो हमने डिटेल से डिस्कस करनी है with their mechanism, and they are very important. And then at the end of this chapter we discuss about acid catalyzed nucleophilic addition reactions. These are the reactions of carbonyl compound with ammonia derivatives. reaction with ammonia derivative. These are the reactions given by carbonyl compounds. तो ये हमारे पास इंट्रोडक्शन था रिगार्डिंग बेस कैटालाइज्ड एंड एसिड कैटालाइज्ड न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शंस. इन द कमिंग वीडियो लेक्चर वी डिस्कस अबाउट देयर मैकेनिज्म्स विद एग्जांपल्स. तो चार हम यहाँ पर एंड करेंगे.